Hola.
Doctors, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Betway Premiership, this is we talk football SA. Baba igama bese usitshela ukuthi umdlalo ubone kanjani.
Now Cartel the Dawn.
No, you can speak the language of your choice.
Yeah, Cartel go ile game yemonate.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns. No, it's nice. Yeah, no, it's a draw. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs.
I'm start. Yeah. So far now contact. Yeah, what you saying? Yeah.
Sundowns, we are not happy today.
Yes.
It's a 1-1 draw.
Yes.
Narinyaka win today.
Yes.
Win. Yeah. Pirates banala advantage. Yeah. One
difference.
Yeah. But today we wanted to win. Yes. Sundowns. So unfortunately, we draw. Yeah, but we have 2 games left. Suelele and TS Galaxy. Galaxy. I think you're not going to get
Galaxy we manyana.
I think we're away from Loftus. Galaxy, we are playing on the 9th. Regardless, we will look at the 9th. Loftus, so we're going to win.
Yes.
Pirates. League League Pirates. Easy. I call Lula League.
I
call Lula. So for all of the Pirates, I know how it goes. I want to get the game.
Strong.
Oh, that is a challenge. Yeah, we know. We know.
Yeah,
we know because I bought the game.
So he's not saying not the
all the games.
Yeah,
we know. Yeah. So it's a bittersweet game.
Yes.
1 Mamelodi Sundowns, 1 Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Bittersweet.
Yeah.
But we wish. Yeah. No. Look. Let me say something.
Yes.
We have 2 games. 2 games left.
Yes.
No. We don't talk about the league now.
Yeah.
We don't talk about the league.
Must win your own game.
Yeah. 2 games. Rabat and Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
We are taking the captaincy.
Yes.
We are taking the captaincy.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes. Chiefs.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I will GNU versus Mamelodi Sundowns.